Welcome to Creata Classes. This is 11th lecture under the quadrilateral series. In this lecture, we will cover our 6th theorem, that is, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, let's prove the theorem. Let's take our standard parallelogram ABCD with AC and BD as the diagonal and O as the intersection point of both the diagonals. Okay, in this theorem, we have to prove OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Okay, we have to prove the diagonals bisect each other. Let's begin with the proof. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, so the opposite sides will be parallel to each other. So AD will be parallel to BC. If you observe, we are having two cases of transversals here. The first case is AD is parallel to BC with transversal BD. Okay. And in the second case, AD is parallel to BC with the transversal AC. Okay, these two parallel lines are cut by two transversals, AC and BD. We will deal with both the cases separately. In the first case, where BD is the transversal, angle ODA and angle OBC are the alternate interior angles. And we know in case of parallel line, the alternate interior angles are equal to each other. So we got angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. Okay. And in the second case, where AC is the transversal, we got angle OAD is equal to angle OCB. Why? Because these are pair of alternate interior angles. Okay. And if we take the triangle AOD and triangle BOC, we can say angle OAD is equal to angle OCB, that we have just proved. AD is equal to CB, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, that we have seen in the previous theorems. And angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. This also we have just proved. Okay. So by ASA rule, we can say triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. And if we apply the CPCT, we got the corresponding sides as equal, that is OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Okay. This is the proof of the theorem. That is, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. Okay students, are you getting the fundamentals? All these theorems are interlinked. All the proofs of these theorems are very simple and very short. Okay. Only we have to prove the respective triangles as concurrent, and in between we have to use the fundamental of transversal lines. Okay. So if you have not covered the transversals, complete the transversals which comes under the lines and angle chapter. So complete the transversal, then come to this theorem portion of the quadrilateral. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.